streets are overflowing with trash, you filthy vermin!
Traffic density ahead. Aggressive driving will not improve the situation. There's a terrorist incident in the city right now. No entry into the city, do you understand?
Intelligence Division. Report in details now.
Sir, the Black Meridian terrorist group is attacking the city center right now!
Understood. Good work.
All right, let's go fast now. Looks like I need to clean up the trash.